Good dental isolation is extremely important in practice, especially with children. They make a lot of saliva, and we all know that saliva does not work when it comes to doing dentistry. I use Isolite for sealants, for restoring teeth. I do it for doing pulpotomies, stainless steel crowns, interproximal resin restorations, and if I need to use the ultrasonic scaler for a hygiene patient. My patients love Isolite. They find that it's easier, it's a little bit softer bite block, and they think it's really cool. I always give them a mirror so they can watch. And once they get the mirror in their hand and they can see that the light is in there and they can see all their teeth, they can see the sugar bug we're gonna clean off, they think it's the coolest thing. My staff loves Isolite because they can be so much faster, and they find that the patients tolerate it much better than cotton rolls when they're putting on sealants. So 2 years ago at the AAPD convention in San Diego, I bought one Isolite system for my office because one of my assistants begged me for it. So I went to the meeting and I looked into it and spoke to the Isolite reps, and I bought one. So I bring it back, and it took about 2 months and everybody was fighting over it. So we'd be at our morning huddle and the girls would say, "Oh, I need that Isolite because I have the 12-year-old with sealants." And another one would say, "Yeah, but I have the one that really doesn't do well with a rubber dam." And so we would fight over it. So then last year at the AAPD convention in Orlando, I decided to buy them for the every room. And I have to tell you, when I told the girls, they thought it was Christmas. They were so excited, and they were so happy. My absolute favorite thing about Isolite is that I can do 2 quadrants at one time and in the same amount of time. Isolite does make my life easier. I can do so much more in one visit than I did when I was using just the rubber dam. And I have a lot less reduce on sealants. My assistants love it. When my assistants are happy, my patients are happy, parents are happy, I'm happy, and my life's easier.